How to check hidden battery usage by apps. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your phone battery is draining fast but you can't figure out which app is responsible, let's check your hidden or background battery usage, and here's how you can find it. First step is to open battery usage settings. For that, go over to settings, then find battery and tap on it. Once you are here, you can find battery usage right here. Tap on view details. Then it's going to show you your battery levels and which app is consuming more battery. Now you can check background usage. So just go ahead and tap on the app that's using your battery. Once you tap on it, you should see its background usage to find the apps that's draining your battery. You can find your total usage time, then how much of the system resource it's taking. Once that is done, you can restrict the problematic app, compare the screen versus the background time, and high battery drain with low screen time usually indicates background activity. So for that, you can restrict the problematic app. For example, for Instagram, what I can do is set this restriction for its battery usage. I'll just tap and long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, go to battery, and as you can see, it's selected to unrestricted currently. You want to select this to optimized or restricted, depending on your choice, and then go back. Once that is done, you should be good to go. Now, that's basically it, guys. If this helped you identify your battery drainage, drop a comment below, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more optimization tips. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.